Morning guys, we're here back in Harlingen. We already installed the countertops, sinks, kitchen hardware. We installed lighting. We installed the pendant lights back there. We painted the cabinets. We still have a little bit of touch-ups to go. Backsplash is still pending. Customer finally, we both agreed on what tile we're gonna be on. Double height island, like a two-step island here. We made it single height, made it a bar area, added 2 pendant lights. Here in this space, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add simple 3 shelves just to make it, the cabinet go a little bit more outward. And that way our backsplash will have a better definition of ending instead of just making backsplash like squared or, you know, do a 45-degree angle, which will look weird from all the way over here to here. So we're finding solutions to make everything look good, make sure everything looks nicer, I guess you could say. For any remodeling needs, please feel free to call us at 956-502-0617 or reach us at armoredpainting.com.